So let's start with the definition of civilization. What is civilization? Yes, what is civilization? Can anyone tell me what is civilization? Yes,
A large group of people, sir, living in the same
that
different
is
area.
you're telling me the definition of society. That is not civilization. So civilization is one step ahead of society. Society can be very simple, primitive. Tribes have a society too, but they don't have civilization. We don't call them civilization. What is civilization? Anyone? Yes. What is civilization? Yes. What is civilization? Anyone? Yes. Mamita, what is civilization? Can you tell me? Can you tell me?
So,
Yes.
सिविलाइजेशन सोसाइटी से एक स्टेप बड़ा होता है
Yes.
जहाँ पे
What
there is high level
characterizes
of
civilization?
कल्चर,
Yes.
इंडस्ट्रीज होती हैं, गवर्नमेंट टेक प्लेस करती हैं
Yes.
एंड
Yes. Yes. Right. You're right. Yes.
इंडस्ट्रीज का सेटअप होता है,
Yes.
एक
Industries.
एडवांसमेंट आ जाता है.
Industries also came later in the civilization.
Yep.
सर एक ऑर्गेनाइज वे में रहना.
Organized way में रहना. Yes. Organized. Yes. We will dwell on organized later. Yes. And someone said, I think Momita said, government.
यस
There is
सर.
a form of government also. In civilization, there is a form of government. Maybe it is a very primitive form of government. Yes. And yes. Anything more?
सर कल्चर.
Culture, yes, but culture may be without civilization also. Yes. One thing you are forgetting.
सर डेवलपमेंट.
Development. That is a very debatable topic. Yes. Negative of. Yes. That is a form of communication. Any form of communication. Fast. Such as, what is the easiest or most organized form of communication? Yes. What we use for communication, what we earlier used to use. Yes. What is the basic primitive method of communication? Language, yes, culture, that comes under culture. Language, and when the language is strengthened, देखिए language develop हो गई थी, a means of communication, a means of transferring one's emotion and one's ideas to another person, another or persons. So what accelerates it? What accelerated it? Yes, Sami. What accelerated it? इस
सर
कम्युनिकेशन.
व्हाट सर.
देखिए कम्युनिकेशन होना बहुत ज़रूरी है सिविलाइजेशन के लिए. अ फॉर्म ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन होना इट्स अ मस्ट. अ फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट, अ फॉर्म ऑफ civil communication, and organized. We will dwell upon it further. So क्या ऐसी चीज़, क्या इन्वेंशन हुआ पुराने ज़माने में जिसने कि कम्युनिकेशन को एक्सेलरेट कर दिया? What, which was the
लैंग्वेज का सर.
language? And yes, one step ahead. Yes, you are right. Language,
साइंस एंड सिंबल.
symbols. I want a different word. Yes. Civilization actually got accelerated when, अगर ये filling the blanks question हो तो, when, yes, when
Education.
education came later. Writing, what about writing? Any form of writing. जब writing आई तो civilization बहुत fast हो गई. Why? क्योंकि language थी. We had a medium of communicating with each other. We had a medium. What is language? It's a medium of communicating with another person or persons. Transmitting your thoughts, your ideas. That is the language. ये कब बहुत इम्प्रूव होती है? जब राइटिंग हमने डिस्कवर करी. और हम सबसे पहले बात करेंगे मेसोपोटामियन सिविलाइजेशन की. बट फर्स्ट, व्हाट इज सिविलाइजेशन? यस, सो राइटिंग. और सबसे पुरानी राइटिंग फॉर्म कौन सी थी? यस, व्हाट वाज द अर्लीस्ट?
Manuscript, sir.
Manuscript is a different thing, Sheikh. Earlier, script was cuneiform script. Cuneiform script, which was invented in Mesopotamia, and some form of it is still being used in China. Pictorial representation. There were symbols and pictures. It was a pictorial language. And it was written from up to down, like this. Chinese language has some semblance of it still. The Chinese language में ये थोड़ा सा use हुआ करता है. So, what is civilization? Prerequisites of civilization as a form of communication, preferably writing. When the writing came, civilization accelerated. A form of government. We will talk about it. What we mean here by organized? Yes. What do you mean by organized? What do you mean by organization? Yes. What is organized? What is being organized?
Systematic manner.
Systematic manner. And in your opinion, from where it comes?
So mutual understanding.
Yes, Ishfaqul, yes.
So it comes from mutual understanding.
Mutual, of course, mutual understanding. But what are the procedures? What is the structure of being organized? How you become organized? अगर आपको
So in the form of cities, sir.
Yes, Salman.
So in the form of cities, sir, same kind of settlement, sir.
Of course. But what is being organized? We will talk about cities and villages later. But first, what is the... Yes, of course, civilization came with cities, came with urban systems. At least it is accelerated with urban systems. But what is being organized? कैसे हम organize होते हैं? जहाँ भी organized system हो, वहाँ आपको क्या दिखता है? कुछ दिखता है? ध्यान से देखिएगा, there is a paradox.
Rules and regulations, sir.
Rules and regulation. And how they came about? What they made the society? What change they make in the society? It creates layers, isn't it? There are layers. Be it a university, be it an organization, be it a commercial venture. There are layers. Layers of command, layers of working, isn't it? Yes, layers. And procedures, as I think Zahur said, procedures and rules. To maintain these layers, for smooth functioning of these layers, isn't it? Layers हैं कहीं किसी सिस्टम में आपको layers दिखती हैं? Yes, layers means are you can say hierarchy.
So lower level से upper levels तक.
Yes, levels, strata. Society becomes stratified. Upper layer, lower layer, middle layer, be it in income or be it in power. Lower layer, middle layer rule over dictates lower layer, and top layer dictates middle layer and lower layer. So society becomes stratified. Society and to manage these layers or strata or hierarchy, we invent procedures and rules. Yes, we invented procedures and rules to manage. अगर हमारे पास procedures और rules नहीं होंगे तो इनका management मुश्किल हो जाएगा, isn't it? Yes, do you agree with me or not? Yes, do you understand the hierarchy, the meaning of hierarchy? Hierarchy is stratification of income, stratification of power, one over the other. Top layer, middle layer, lower layer. And we invented procedures and rules, statutes to govern all these, isn't it? So, what it made the society? All this. क्या हुआ? Organize का मतलब क्या निकला? क्या दिख रहा है आपको यहाँ? What are you seeing here? Yes, you can hear me and you can see the board. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what made it? क्या हुआ है अभी सोसाइटी को? हमने इतने सारे प्रोसीजर्स बना दिए, लेयर्स डेवलप हो गई, स्ट्रेटिफिकेशन हो गया, हायरार्की हो गई, प्रोसीजर्स आ गए, रूल्स आ गए, बाद में लॉज आ गए. सबसे पहला लॉज किसने कोडिफाई किए थे? किसी को याद? यस, सबसे पहले लॉज कहाँ कोडिफाई हुए? ये मेसोपोटामिया में हुई. देयर वाज अ किंग हम्बुराबी. उसने सबसे पहले लॉज कोडिफाई किए. तो क्या हुआ ये? डोंट यू थिंक द सोसाइटी have become complex because of this? Instead of being हमारे जो ऑर्गेनाइज की मीनिंग है, हम जब ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे होते हैं तो हमारे दिमाग में सबसे पहले क्या होता है? टू सिंप्लीफाई. अगर आप अपनी लाइफ को ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं तो क्या एम होता है? टू सिंप्लीफाई, टू स्मूथनिंग अवर लाइफ. बट व्हाट हैपेंड? Yes, what happened? The society became complex, isn't it? अब ये समझ लिए तब मैं आगे बढ़ूं. Society became complex. If you are organizing, you are setting procedures and goals, so it becomes complex. It is complex not in a bad sense, it is complex in a good sense. Complex means it's not, it is no longer unidirectional or linear. It has become layered. It has become networked. तो जितना ऑर्गेनाइज करने की कोशिश करेंगे, जितने रूल्स करेंगे, उतना कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाएगी. बट इट इज नॉट कॉम्प्लेक्स इन बैड टर्म्स. इट इज कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर ऑर्डर, isn't it? The society has now we come to a form of government. ये कैसे बनी? Anyone? Can you tell me how the form of government came about? Yes. how the form of government came about. Yes. कैसे बनी होगी सबसे पहले गवर्नमेंट कैसे फॉर्म हुई होगी? A sort of government. How the government formed. How the government started to being formed. Yes. Yes. कैसे गवर्नमेंट बनी होगी सबसे पहले? Yes, some form of government, governance. How it came about. Any of
As
you?
Hobbes
Yes.
said,
Yes.
as Hobbes said that there was a chaos in the society.
Yes, there was a chaos.
It was a
Yes, to
it
rule,
was a Hobbesian theory.
to
there
smoothen
was
that
first chaos.
chaos. To control that chaos.
Yep.
Yes, you are right.
Yes, sir.
Yes. But how it came about, the procedure, or the methodology? It is said that tribulatory society given rise to government, a governance. Government structure. Tribulatory society gave rise to government structure. We will talk about what the tribulatory society is. What is the tribute? Do anyone know what is this tribute? Yes. Yes. What is the tribute? Can anyone tell me? Tribute. Tribute is a gift, isn't it? Tribute is, if you say in Urdu, it is Nazrana.